So we'll start out here by taking a look at the staff system. The musical staff is this series of 5 lines and 4 spaces. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. And it's these lines and spaces upon which the noteheads are going to sit. But in order to determine what these lines and spaces represent in terms of musical pitch, we need to talk first about the concept of clefs. The 2 most common clefs are the treble clef and the bass clef, and we're going to learn here how to notate both the treble and bass clefs. First, let me start out by drawing the treble clef. What I want you to notice, first of all, is how the second line of the staff, this line here, is sort of encircled. And what you should know is the treble clef has another name, and that name is the G clef. And in fact, the second line in the treble clef represents the note G. So let me draw it again for you, and watch how I encircle that second line, the G. Now, another thing you can do here with the treble clef is put a little dot on the end of the tail to sort of make it look a little fancier. Now that we know that this is the treble clef, we can fill in the notes of the lines and the spaces. So the note on the first line is going to be the note E. The note on the second line will be the note G. The note on the third line is a B. The note on the fourth line is a D. And the note on the fifth line is the note F. Now, if we take a look at the spaces, the first space represents the note F. The note in the second space represents the note A. The note in the third space represents the note C. And the note in the fourth space will represent the note E. So there we have the 5 lines and 4 spaces of the treble clef. E, G, B, D, and F for the lines, and F, A, C, and E for the spaces.